Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. Sage here for Kalkine Media, and today's trending topic is why investors remain bullish on material stocks, Rio, BHP and Fortescue in particular. Australian shares ended lower on Friday as the tech and utility stocks slumped, though gains in material companies capped the losses. The benchmark index, ASX 200, closed 0.3% lower at 7,392.6 and settled the week with a marginal loss of 0.02%. On the sectoral front, all indices barring AREIT, industrial and financials closed in negative terrain. Information technology emerged as the worst performer with a 2.4% loss, followed by utilities, which tumbled 1.8%. Bucking the trend, however, AREIT ended with a 1.35% gain, while industrial and financial sectors ended marginally higher. And for the week, 9 of the 11 sectoral indices ended in the red zone, while tech and utilities declined the most. And meanwhile, the materials sector was the top performer, gaining 2.82% over the past 5 sessions. The gain in materials space was driven by a strong rally in index heavyweights, BHP Group, Rio Tinto and the Fortescue Metals Group, which touched their respective record highs during the week. BHP. Shares of the world's leading miner BHP Group rose 0.3% to close Friday's trade at $53.49 Australian, and during the day's trade the stock gained as much as 2.28% to hit the 52-week high of $54.55 Australian, and over the last 5 sessions the iron miner gained 3.06%. Investors turned bullish on BHP shares after unveiling a plan to buy Canadian-based mining company Noront Resources in an all-cash deal, the company's wholly owned subsidiary. BHP Lonsdale has made a recommended all-cash offer to acquire Noront Resources for 55 Canadian cents per share. So BHP Lonsdale, through its subsidiary BHP Western Mining Resources International, has signed a definitive support agreement with Noront to complete the acquisition. And listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange, Noront is engaged in the development of nickel, copper, platinum and palladium deposits, as well as chromite deposits located in Ontario. Rio Tinto. The share price of global miner Rio Tinto ended 0.56% lower at $133.42 Australian on Friday, as investors resorted to profit booking. After strong rallies in the last few sessions, the stock opened higher and gained over 2% to hit a fresh 52-week high of $136.90 Australian. And for the week, the blue chip miner gained 4.05% after it recorded strong earnings and announced to pay 9.1 billion Australian dollars in dividends. In a separate development, the company also unveiled plans to invest 2.4 billion Australian dollars in the Jadar lithium borates project in Serbia. It is one of the world's most significant greenfield lithium projects, and for the half year ended June 30th, 2021, the miner reported its highest ever interim profit on the back of the rise in iron ore prices on strong demand from China. Rio, the world's top producer of iron ore, saw its underlying earnings more than doubled to 12.2 billion Australian dollars in the first half of the financial year 21, and compared to the same period last year as iron ore and copper prices soared. Consolidated sales revenue jumped 71% year on year to 33.1 billion Australian dollars, and the company declared a total dividend of $5.61 Australian per share, which is more than triple from last year's total payout of $1.55 Australian for the first half. Fortescue Metals Group. Shares of iron ore miner Fortescue Metals Group ended Friday's trade at $24.91, which is down 5.29%. On Thursday, the stock gained over 2.5% to hit the 52-week high of $26.49 Australian. However, overall, the stock ended the week with a 2.28% loss. For the fourth quarter ended June 30th, 2021, the global miner posted shipments of 49.3 million tonnes and average revenue of $168 per dry metric tonne. The company closed the financial year 2021 with the highest ever annual shipments of 182.2 million tonnes. The net cash was at $2.7 billion in the June quarter, compared to net debt of $1 billion at the end of the March quarter. Thanks for joining us on The Report. If you like the information, please like, share, comment on the video below. Just subscribe to the YouTube channel, press the bell icon. You'll be notified of our latest videos. For more information and regular updates, please head to the website kalkinemedia.com. Sage here for Kalkine Media.